Welcome back to EduSkills. OET made easy. Our mission is to make you fall in love with OET. If you're watching this on YouTube, kindly consider subscribing to the channel. Give us a thumbs up if you like our work and share to your contacts so that we reach out to maximum OET aspirants, especially those who are financially struggling to crack OET. Our services are absolutely free. And today we are going to deal with reading part C. Sample 2, text 1. Thank you, OET, for allowing me to use this text.
What point about patient safety is the writer making by quoting a Dixon Woods comparison with climate change? Option A, the problem will worsen if it isn't dealt with soon. Option B, it isn't clear who ought to be tackling the situation. Option C, it is hard to know what the best course of action is. Option D, many people refuse to acknowledge there is a problem.
Let's go with the steps. First step, what is first step?
Identify the keywords.
Identify the keywords.
Keywords in the question term. Tell me the keywords in the question term.
Patient safety.
Patient safety.
Point about, say, patient safety. Dixon Woods, the name. That is cool. Option A.
Then the worsen.
Yeah,
Problem will worsen.
Verbal will worsen. Okay. Option B.
Tackling the situation.
Who is important? Who is tackling? Who ought to be tackling the situation? Then option C.
Best course of action.
Course of action.
Best course of action. So course of action or best course of action for your understanding purpose. Yeah, please acknowledge. Coming to the topic sentence. What is the topic sentence? Dixon Woods compares the issue of patient safety to that of climate change in the sense that it is a problem of
Many hands.
many hands. Any similarity with any answer option? Huh?
It's who ought to be tackling.
Who has to do it? Like climate change. They are speaking about climate change. Who can bring in climate change? Yeah, problem of many hands with many actors, each making a contribution towards the outcome. And there is difficulty in identifying where the responsibility for solving the problem lies. It isn't clear who ought to be tackling the situation. Here it says, there is a difficulty in identifying where the responsibility for problem lies, or who is responsible, where the responsibility. It is not clear. There are only 2 sentences in this paragraph. Okay, let's check. See, patient safety. Dixon Woods comparison. Dixon Woods compares the issue of patient safety to that of climate change in the sense that it is a problem of many hands with many actors.
Many actors.
Okay. Patient actors, there is one more heading in the text. Okay. After patient safety, there is one more heading. There is a subheading highlighting the collaborative initiative to improve patient safety. And you can get the clues from heading and subheading. Now, collaborative means many hands, many actors. Heading says patient safety, subheading says patient safety, the question sentence says patient safety. And again, the topic sentence speaks of patient safety. And Dixon Woods, the topic sentence begins with the name Dixon Woods. And comparison, compares. And here, collaborative, many actors, many hands. Topic sentence gives you the answer. Okay, topic sentence, sentence continues still here. Even this can be included, and there is difficulty in identifying where the responsibility for solving the problem lies. It isn't clear who ought to be tackling the situation. Responsibility for solving the problem. Problem is situation. Yeah, solving the problem in the text, tackling the situation in the answer option. It isn't clear. Synonymous language used in the text is there is difficulty. All those things I have not done because you have to do it. You have to do it. Okay, that's your homework and enjoy doing it. Great.